So TPN is quite excited about our AskTPN wiki. And what the AskTPN wiki is all about, it's about creating a platform where both tenant, landlord and estate agent can read a lease agreement, not understand the contents of a certain clause, and be able to click through to an AskTPN hyperlink. This AskTPN hyperlink will open the TPN wiki, where we will explain in layman's term what that clause means and from what piece of legislation it originates. For example, if we were to talk about the tenant's right to early cancellation, we're talking about Section 14 of the Consumer Protection Act. The tenants often know their rights, and so within that Section 14, the tenant's right to early cancellation, also comes the landlord's right to a reasonable penalty. And so we'll explain what that reasonable penalty is and how to calculate a reasonable penalty insofar as that early cancellation comes. We'll talk about, for example, fixed-term lease agreements, why there's a limitation on only 2 years on a fixed-term lease agreement, again in terms of the Consumer Protection Act. In terms of the deposit, how the deposit is refunded, we'll refer back to the Rental Housing Act. So for each clause, we'll refer back to a certain piece of legislation as to why that clause is there and what the rights and the duties of both parties are in terms of each clause. It, I think, adds a certain level of comfort to all the parties to understand where these pieces of legislation fit into the lease agreement and how it protects them or how it creates an obligation on their part.